Welcome to Touch Trove. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. Nintendo has finally revealed its successor to the immensely popular hybrid console. Let's break down everything you need to know. Screen features. First up, let's talk about the Switch 2's tablet. The screen is larger than the original Switch. While Nintendo didn't provide an exact measurement, reports suggest it's 8 inches long compared to the 6.2 inches of the first model and 7 inches of the OLED version. Interestingly, the Switch 2 will stick with an LCD screen instead of OLED, likely to keep production costs down and appeal to more buyers. Larger screen approximate 8 inches. LCD screen, not OLED. Button and port enhancements. The buttons and features on the tablet remain mostly the same as the original, with some notable improvements. The power button, volume buttons, automatic brightness sensor, cartridge slot, and headphone jack are all present. A new addition is the second USB-C port on the top, making it more convenient to charge while propped up on its kickstand. Second USB-C port on top. Wider but thinner kickstand. Dock and connectivity. The Switch 2 will also come with a new dock, which looks similar to the original but features a new logo and rounded corners. Unlike the original, it includes an Ethernet port for better connectivity. New dock design with Ethernet port. Rounded corners and updated logo. Controller features. The Joy-Cons have undergone a significant makeover. They now feature larger buttons for better comfort and have switched from slide-in connectivity to locking in via ports on each side of the tablet. There are rumors they also connect magnetically, but this hasn't been confirmed by Nintendo. Larger buttons for comfort. New locking mechanism. Exciting new features. There's a new button below the home button on the right Joy-Con, and a sensor near the sync button, hinting at mouse-like functionality. The controllers also come with a new wrist strap that allows them to slide around flat surfaces, which could be a game-changer for titles like Splatoon or Animal Crossing. Custom NVIDIA chip with ray tracing and DLSS. 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Games and backward compatibility. Nintendo has confirmed that most Switch games, both physical and digital, will be playable on the Switch 2, although some specific titles may not be compatible. New game announcements include Pokémon Legends Z2A and remasters like Yooka-Laylee. There are also rumors of big AAA titles like Assassin's Creed Mirage and Red Dead Redemption 2 coming to the Switch 2.